Insurance for kids. Okay ba na kumuha tayo na insurance for kids? Okay. Dapat ba kumuha tayo ng life insurance para sa kids? Oh. Ang life insurance kasi, yan ay para sa mga people who earn and have dependents. Oh, so tanong natin si JR. JR, yung mga anak mo, kumikita ba sila?
Hindi po.
May dependents ba sila?
Wala po.
So, hindi nila kailangan ng life insurance. Kasi ang function ng life insurance ay income replacement. Pag nawala yung breadwinner, yung income na mawawala from the breadwinner, papalitan ng insurance claim na makukuha, no? So, kids do not need life insurance if they are not the breadwinner. So, kung child actor yung anak mo at nakadepende kayo sa kanya, JR, that's the time na kukunan natin siya ng life insurance. Okay? So, yun. Um, so, yung sa life insurance, yung parents should have the life insurance to protect the child financially. Kasi siya yung breadwinner, no? The insured amount is equivalent to the remaining years a child is dependent multiplied by the annual income. So, ang age of emancipation for me, no, na hindi na maging or age of independence is 21 years old and above. So 21 yon minus the youngest age, mag ilang years pa, yun yung number of years. Pero maximum of 10. Yan yung ina-explain ko kanina. Okay? Next, health insurance, no, for kids. Kukuha ba tayo niyan? Yes, dapat. So dapat kukuha tayo, pero automatic naman may PhilHealth na. So pagdasal natin na gumanda ang gobyerno para maging better pa siya. To cover your kids with health insurance, better na kumuha tayo ng health plan, no, that includes your children in the policy instead of getting individual policies, no? Tapos i-check mo rin baka naman sa company ay covered na yung health ng mga bata din. So tignan nyo din 'yon, no? So ipa-prioritize natin ang health insurance ng breadwinner ulit, no? So ikaw dapat 'yon, JR, yung merong health insurance, no, more than anyone. Okay? Yon. Tapos meron din kasing mga nagsasabi na ay kukuha daw siya ng VUL para sa kinabukasan ng anak niya, no? Pero ang sabi ko nga, hindi maganda yung VUL. Oh, so yung mga investment linked insurance. Ito yung mga insurance na may kasamang investment. Wag natin siyang kukunin. So i-separate natin siya. We do BTID at yun ulit ha, MP2, strong co-ops, rural banks or government bonds. Doon natin siya ilagay.